Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add margin or padding on WooCommerce archive pages like shop page, single product page, category or tag page using custom CSS in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting, like as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page and then you see home shop. You don't see any gap or space between top section and then this breadcrumb. So we are going to add padding top or bottom or margin top or bottom using custom CSS. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now paste and you will find all CSS in video description or in comment section. So if you want you can add this padding CSS or if you want you can add this margin CSS. So it's up to you. Now you see WooCommerce archive site main, WooCommerce single product page, site main. So by using this CSS, you will add padding top or bottom on WooCommerce archive pages which include shop, single product page, category tag page. And by using this CSS, you can include margin top and margin bottom on WooCommerce archive pages like shop, category tag, single product pages. So we are going to add padding. So it's up to you. So you will find both CSS in video description or in comment section. So we are going to remove margin because we are going to use padding and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to shop page, refresh the page, go to single product page, refresh the page, go to category page, refresh the page. Now you see padding on top added, also bottom. Now go to shop, now you see padding top and bottom. Now you see single product page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.